guys, G.T.M with G.T.M Family Farm. Springtime is upon us, as you can see. Lots of bare grass. And me, I'm just decked out in a t-shirt and shorts. It's about 45 degrees out right now, only supposed to get warmer. It's about 9:15 in the morning. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys the plans we have for some projects in the yard over the next couple of weekends. This thing right here, in the fall, before it snowed, I was doing some metal detecting just because it's kind of an old property. I just wanted to see what I could find. This is, and I didn't know what it was till I got it all apart. It's an old horseshoe game. You can see the frame. It was kind of broken apart, but the frame, and then you could see the pipe that would have been sticking up in the middle to ring the horseshoe around. So the house is over here. We have I think it's about just over an acre, or like an acre and a half of land. I can never remember, but it stretches. You can see the rock wall stretches all along here, back. It actually goes around the house over that way a little bit, a ways too. But over here, we're planning on making a hoop coop for our chickens. I'll put a picture up of one right here if you don't know what it is. And then we don't know, this year or possibly next year, we're planning on maybe raising a pig for meat. That might go somewhere over in this area too, but yeah, the chickens will probably go over here, maybe a goat or a pig area over here. And you can see the fence I showed you a couple videos ago over there. That is going to be for our goats, and those are coming home I think this weekend sometime. But yeah, right now I'm just out in the play area again with the dog and the boys, and yeah, just kind of wanted to show you around again and tell you what our plans are as far as projects go. So yeah, we'll probably be making videos on all that, so stick with us and stick around if you want to see those. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy spring.